Is Snapchat displaying the wrong language, or are you unable to change the app language? In this video, I will show you how to fix language on Snapchat app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Snapchat. You will move to Snapchat app. Then here in this page, you will move to above and you will click on settings. So you will tap on settings. So here profile, as you see first. Then you will move to settings on the profile. So you will tap here. As you see here in this page, you will move to language and you will tap here, and then you can change your language and fix it. So fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.